Can you imagine being paid for doing laundry? Well, if you're a self-motivated, trustworthy individual who loves a flexible schedule, then the idea isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. All you need to get started with Lanara is a clean space, a washer and dryer, vehicle, and a love for doing laundry. Hi, I'm Roberta.
And I'm Alicia. We are the owners of Lanara, a small, locally owned, family-operated company that provides laundry pickup and deliveries to your home or small business. Here's how it works. When service is requested, our providers pick up the client's belongings, then deliver them back, clean and folded, all within 48 hours.
To apply to be a service provider, visit our website, www.lanaralaundry.com, and apply today.
If you have questions, call Lanara anytime at 412-564-3078.